So what's going on, people? Welcome back, and I think everyone are doing good. Okay, so in this video I'll teach you about how to install WSL to your Windows system. So WSL is basically called Windows Subsystem Linux. So this means that you can run Linux in your Windows system. You don't need to install VirtualBox, and you don't need to install ISO files that will be like 3 to 4 GB. So Windows came across one easiest thing that make users to stay in the Windows system only without shifting to or without dual booting to Linux system. Okay, so in this video I'll teach you step to step how to install WSL to your Windows system. Okay, let's start. The first thing you need to do is that you need to click on the Control R button. Then you need to type Control Panel here. So after typing Control Panel, you need to click on OK. So this type of interface will be opened. Okay, after that you need to click on the program. Okay, now we are basically telling features, like there is one Windows features called WSL. We need to enable that features. So without enabling we can't install WSL. Okay, so go to that program and features, and here in the left you come across turn Windows features on and off. Click on that. So one pop-up window will come, and then I'll enlarge it. Okay, so here you can see one button called Windows Subsystem for Linux. So you should enable this. So if it is not enabled, you need to enable it. So the one thing is, after enabling, so it will ask for the reboot or restart your system. You need to do that. Now I already ticked it. After ticking it, it asked for me to restart. Okay, I did it. After that you need to go for store, Microsoft Store. Okay, now in the Microsoft Store okay, so whenever you install WSL, you basically come across their own interface or their own terminal. But here I'll show you to use any, like Ubuntu. If you have Linux, if you have a Kali Linux, if you have Ubuntu, you can use in only one terminal. So that is where Windows developed one application called Terminal. So you need to search for terminal. Yeah, Windows Terminal. It is the terminal. Then you need to install this. So if you install this, you can basically use many Linux subsystem in one terminal, instead of searching for Ubuntu, searching for Linux, and opening in different terminals. So this helps us to do every stuff or use different Linux operating system in only one terminal. So that is why it is more popular. So let me wait till it gets downloaded. Okay, I think it is downloading, so it is installing. Okay, so now we'll open that. Okay, so this is how it looks. So Windows Terminal can be set as default terminal option. So in your system, open settings and then set Windows Terminal as a profile. No. Default terminal. Okay, it's here. Default terminal as Windows Terminal. Okay, after that you need to save it and close that. So in this, basically you can actually use, you can see that there is one button. So if you click on that, you can see Ubuntu and all. So for that you can open Azure Cloud, and you can open many tabs. You can open CMD, and again you can open Windows PowerShell. So that is where this terminal comes in. So it will make very useful. Okay, now what I do, I'll search for Ubuntu. Okay, after searching for Ubuntu, so it will show me many different type of versions that Ubuntu has released to Microsoft OS. So first thing what I need to do is that I don't need to mess up with this LTS. So let's go for the default one. So this is the default one, I guess. If I click on that, and I need to install this default version instead of choosing the newer version. Okay, I'll just click on that install. Okay, it will take a minute. Okay, now I'll close this Windows prompt terminal. Okay, close this. Okay, we'll wait for a minute. It's like a 400 MB to 500 MB, I guess. So you can scroll down, you can see, check here. Yeah, it is 600 MB. So we'll wait for a minute. I'll just forward this video. So now we are done with the installation of Ubuntu. Okay, now I just close this one, and then I'll search for Ubuntu. uh, Ubuntu, you can see that Ubuntu there. If I click enter, so it will open me in the terminal. Okay, that's good. Okay, it might take a few seconds or it might take a few minutes, depends on your internet speed. So it will basically install the packages, new packages, some kind of libraries, I can say. Okay, so now it is asking for the username. So okay, what username let me keep as hmm, okay, let me keep a username as what dev. Okay, so let my username will be dev, and then enter. Okay, let me keep the password as okay. Okay, so now I set the password and the username, so you can see so we got a new prompt. So now I'll click on this arrow button and then I'll go for Ubuntu. So you can see a new prompt opened. Okay, I'll close this and again I'll search for the terminal here. I'll add this terminal to the taskbar. So you can see here now. I'll just drag it. Okay, I'll just open it again, and then the by default it will open the what PowerShell. I'll click again and I'll open the Ubuntu. So now you can see we can use Ubuntu in the Windows terminal. But the first thing you need to do is that you need to update what the system. Okay, password. Okay, first you need to update the system and you need to sorry, apt update. Sorry, I just clicked on install. Okay, you need to update the system and then you need to what let to take a few seconds, I guess. Hmm. Okay, now I need to upgrade my system. That will be upgrade. Okay, this will download some packages, I guess. So 90 MB it should be downloaded. Okay, just forward this video a little bit. So now we are just finishing up my installation. It will take up around a second, I guess. Okay, it's like 99%. Okay, yeah, it is done, I guess. Okay, so you can click on this and you can install many operating system, not only what Ubuntu. I'll show you one more thing. Okay, now it is done, and now clear the screen and you can say ls command, cd command, or you can do mkdir and directory1 slash. Okay, you can see the directories exist. You can go inside directory. So whatever whichever you can do in the particular Ubuntu operating system, you can do in WSL also in the Windows subsystem. Okay, this is one more example, and let me install Kali Linux. Okay, now we are going to install Kali Linux. So open your store, Windows Store, and now search for Kali Linux. Now you can see many operating system that you can use with what WSL. So now I'll go for the first one, that is called Kali Linux, and then you can see, so this is how it looks if you install it. Okay, now what I do, I click on this install, and I need to see the what size of it. It is like 237 MB. It will take around 15 minutes depending upon your network speed. So now we are done with installing Kali Linux, and you can see open here. I'll just close this, and now I'll search for Kali Linux. It's here. If I click on Kali Linux, basically it will ask for the username and passwords. I'll do that first. So installing this, this might take around about a few minutes. Okay, let's wait for that. So, okay, so this is how you can install Kali Linux and Ubuntu operating system in WSL in Windows. So, the same step, you need to do the same step which I showed you for Ubuntu. I don't need to waste your time showing for Kali Linux as well. So, it will do the same thing. You can do it for Ubuntu as well. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.